Hola everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I just decided to play with some makeup. This makeup tutorial is inspired by this little lipstick here. I just love purple and yellow makeup together, so that's what I paired it with. I paired it with yellow eye and obviously the purple lips. Oh, how long have I had that lipstick in my teeth? That's disgusting. Good morning guys. I might as well just tell you the whole story. So there was a few Fridays ago, I was vlogging, I was sorting out my makeup collection situation. I was going through my lipsticks and I came across this lipstick. I've had this for quite some time now, never worn it, and it's the Balmain collection with L'Oreal Paris, and it's in the shade Freedom, and it is a bright purple. So that's just the shade of it there. Absolutely beautiful. Kind of just gave me the idea to actually do a makeup tutorial using this lipstick. I was kind of thinking of something yellow to match it with on the eyes. You will already have seen what I'm going to do anyway from the intro. But yeah, so that's what I wanted to do today. So first I'm just going to spritz my face with one of the wee Makeup Revolution sprays. It smells so good. This is the Origins Pore Perfecting Cooling Primer. Ooh. Oh, feels so good. As much as I love that primer, at the same time I hate using it because it was a bit of a situation whenever I was actually buying this. It wasn't exactly the best experience. I bought this in the Debenhams in Daly, and it was the worst experience of my life. I'll maybe tell you whenever I have time. Foundation today, I'm going to be making up quite a concoction. This is the very strange concoction I'm going to be cooking up today. So this is the YSL. Yeah, I'm not even going to try, but it's in this package in here, and then I'm going to use it with the Dermacol high coverage foundation concealer stuff. Again, I bought this online and I have no idea what in the honour of God I was thinking whenever I bought this. I'll actually show you guys for a laugh how dark it is. Well, I suppose it's not that dark, you know, like, but I'm not that dark. I've done it so many times before mixing these two together, and it is the most beautiful foundation. The coverage, the finish, the application, how it wears on the skin, how it looks. It is just such a beautiful foundation. I think the other reason I like it as well is because this is a very liquidy foundation, whereas this one is extremely thick. So I kind of think that they just kind of like work with each other and kind of like balance each other out. I don't know, they just kind of seem to work with each other, if that makes sense. There's somebody at my door. There's no way in hell I'm answering my door looking like this. Look at the much makeup that's in my eyebrows. Oh my god, why did I make myself look so bad online? Before I go and set my face anyway, I'm going to be using the iconic London Illuminating drops. I tried these in yesterday's video where I done like basically like a full face of like cream to liquid products. It was more aimed towards like a summer makeup tutorial, and I actually really enjoyed using these. But these just happened to look really, really nice on my skin yesterday. Before I go and bake, I'm just going to use the MUA Setting Powder. I'm just going to lightly set the areas that I'm going to bake because I don't necessarily like to bake over damp product. I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Powder in the shade Butter. I was literally talking away there, not even filming. God damn it. Forgot to press record. So I just spritzed my face there with the e.l.f. Beauty Shield Spray because I like the Fenty Beauty powder. It sets, it does the job, but I'm not wanting to say that it makes my face look powdery whenever I bake with it because, well, obviously, but it just makes my under eyes look really, really, really dry. Like, really dry. And it's the only powder that actually does that to my eyes whenever I am baking. The other thing I'm not a fan of is the fact that it doesn't actually brighten the under eyes. That's a real big bum. I don't know, I just feel as if I'm really hooked on my Ilse translucent powder. Such a shame. This is just the wee AoA Studio Wonder highlight. This is just the wee highlight that I like to use first of all before I go with a more intense highlight. So I just like to dust this basically everywhere. Gonna go on with my more intense highlight. So this is the powder highlight by Jouer in the shade Citrine. Because I'm wanting to do something purple on the lips and yellow on the eyes, I kind of want it to go a wee bit more orange toned with my blush. So I'm going to go off the Lisa Peach blush by L'Oreal. I honestly have to tell myself when to stop applying blush. So I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty bronzer. For my eyes, I'm just going to take this Makeup Revolution Consolation Forever Flawless palette. That's just what it looks like here. Really, really pretty palette. I'm going to take this shade here as a transition first of all. So I'm just going to start off with a slightly smaller tapered blender brush than what I usually would, because I'm really wanting to focus this just right in that crease area. Okay. As I was saying at the start there, I wanted to do something yellow on the eyes, so that's the reason why I picked up this palette for today's tutorial, because it has this yellow shimmer shade in it. Then I also have this literally obsessed body glitter. Yeah, it's a body glitter by Colourpop in the shade Puffen, and it's bright yellow. This is absolutely beautiful. I'm going to take this shade here, I'm going to take that on a flat brush. Just going to apply this just directly onto the lid. Okay, so that doesn't really seem to be doing much. It's not exactly the best quality of eyeshadow. That's not working out, so I'm going to go with the EYN Brights palette. This is from Beauty Bay, and then there's this lemonade shade in the centre here, and this is absolutely beautiful. See, if you're doing like a mustard smoky eye and this popped in the inner corner, love it. So I'm just going to soften those edges as well. I'm not too sure how this is going to actually lie on my lids, but we'll try it. Okay, and I'm just going to apply that to the lid. I'm going to really pack it on the inner corner as well. So I literally just took like an hour's break there, but off camera, as you can see, I done my lashes and liner, and I used the Pinky Goat lashes in the style Hanna. These are full size lashes, but I cut them so they're only like half lashes, and I think that they just complement this eye look. So now on for lips. I found this Kylie Cosmetics lip liner in the shade Junebug, and like I said earlier, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Paris and Balmain collab lipstick in the shade Freedom. Ooh, this is so not me, but it should be exciting to see what it looks like all together. That lipstick is quite nice, but it's not as purple as I was wanting it to be. So I'm going to take the Dose of Colours Purple Rain liquid lipstick. Oh yes, this is definitely so much better. Yeah. Do you know, I have no idea what I'm going to call this tutorial. Like, it's all very well and fair, like, doing tutorials and, like, different makeup tutorials like this, but see, whenever it comes to naming them. Ooh! Okay, so I really do apologise if you don't really care about this, but I was on a wee break there. I got a PR package, and it's from Mellow Cosmetics. So I just thought I would open it with you guys. Oh my goodness. Ooh. So I'm not going to open all of this obviously, because that would just be very time consuming. So we have bullet lipsticks. We have some liquid lipsticks. We have brow pencils, brow definers, more brow definers, a liquid liner, no sorry, a gel liner, mini liquid lipsticks, eyeshadow palettes, some blushes. I've actually never tried Mellow Cosmetics before, so this should be really interesting. I'm going to have to do a video on all these. We have a load of lip liners. Ooh, I'm gonna open one of these wee palettes just to see what it actually looks like. So this is the Treasure Chest palette. It's a really, really nice palette. It's got some shimmer shades and matte shades. Definitely a wearable palette. I actually think Shanna XO done a makeup tutorial recently using Mel Cosmetics. Ooh, that's pretty exciting actually. Am I on her level yet? I also actually send them a wee email to say that I received the package and to say thank you so much. So yeah guys, this completes this makeup tutorial also. I hope you all enjoyed. All the products that I use will be listed down below in the description box, as will my Snapchat, Instagram and Twitter, so don't forget to follow me on those. And yeah, again, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video.